How to fix Ghostbusters Spirits Unleashed not launching, crashing, black screen and freezing on Windows PC. 1. Restart your PC. 2. Verify the game files in Epic Games Launcher. Like this. For details, read How do I verify game files in the Epic Games Launcher? 3. Update your graphics drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 4. Increase virtual memory. 5. Allow the game, say ghost_w32.exe, through Windows Firewall. Like this. 6. Run the game on dedicated graphics card. Like this. 7. Disable all overlay-related settings, Discord, Steam, Xbox Game Bar, etc. 8. Install Visual C++ apps as admin. 9. Unplug extra devices. 10. Update your Windows. 11. Lower the in-game graphics and video settings. 12. Uninstall then reinstall the game on an SSD.